Hello YouTube Nation, this is Marketer Assassin here. Welcome to my channel, and if you cannot tell, I'm actually recording on my phone. So I really wanted to share this with you guys because it's absolutely an awesome tool to have, especially if you don't have your laptop with you, so you can't really record and you may have forgotten your phone. But if you want to record, I mean, you could record on your phone, like you can get a tripod and you can have that and you can record from your phone like that though. But if you want to record you doing something on your phone, this is an awesome tool for you to have. Like you can, I'm recording on my phone and I have the app that I'm using where I can actually record on my phone and do whatever I want to do. So it's actually amazing. You know, I can go to my, I can go anything, anywhere, and I go to my LinkedIn, you know, go to my LinkedIn and I can record anything, everything on my LinkedIn and my Facebook, I mean not my Facebook, my YouTube, my Twitter, you know, anything like that, you know, stuff like that. I go to my Twitter, I record on there, you know. So I wanted to share this tool with you guys in case if you wanted to record on your phone, because I think this is an awesome tool. You know, this is an amazing tool, and if you don't have your laptop with you or anything like that, you could just record from your phone. So it's actually awesome. So I want to share this app with you guys that I discovered. You just go to the Play Store, and it's actually called, there it is right there, the Mobizen screen recorder. I don't really know what that word is. Mobizen. I think it's obviously a made up word. Obviously. So you know, but it's awesome tool. There's a lot of good feedback about this app, you know. But I recommend this one exactly. You know, there's others. You know, screen recorder. I actually want to do a screen recorder on my phone. You know, there are other ones though, but the one I would recommend is this one right here, the one that I installed. So all you do is you just go to your app store, and I'm on a Galaxy. I have a Galaxy S8, so you might not have it on your phone. I don't really know, but it is definitely on a Galaxy. So just go to here and you install it, and you can actually just record off your phone doing absolutely anything you want. So I think this is an awesome tool to have. It's just so amazing. This is a very awesome tool. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in getting this app, I recommend you guys get it. You know, you know I don't know if I recommend, I mean, I recommend this app, but I don't know if I can put it in the description because it is on my phone though. But all you have to do is go to your app store and you just type in screen recorder, and boom, voila, there you go. So subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this. You know, this is going to go in the online media review playlist, so go check that out. And I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to this channel, hit that bell button, give this video a thumbs up and a like if you liked it, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.